So the business need that we had was being able to back up laptops and desktops. But the challenge we had is that we have people that are very mobile. What led us to Druva was our strategy to leverage Microsoft's OneDrive and then be able to connect to that on the back end to Druva to be able to back up our data. My name is Rick Bennett. I'm the Chief Information Officer for Matrix Service Company. So Matrix Service Company is an engineering, procurement, and construction company in the energy sector and industrial sector. We're about a $1.4 billion publicly traded company. We've been in existence now for over 20 years. So my number one priority in the organization is cybersecurity and protection of our intellectual property, our data. So we've got, of that 1,500 employees, probably 1,200 to 1,300 of those employees have laptop computers. Those people are very dynamic, moving from job to job or office to office on short order. So we had the need to be able to dynamically back up those laptops, preferably to the cloud in a way that we could protect our bandwidth. And because when you think about the construction industry, we have job sites that are greenfield. So we'll go to a location in the middle of nowhere and start a project. So what led us to Druva was a capability to be able to back that up into the cloud, meaning that we did not want that data to have to traverse our network multiple times, which is extremely inefficient when you're using a very small pipe. So having that Druva connection to OneDrive was very strategic for our organization. And then the second comment I would make is in the construction industry where you have a lot of turnover, you need to be able to re-provision machines quickly. So what it allowed us to do is back that data up into the cloud, re-provision that machine on site, and then redeploy that to the next person. So what I do like about Druva as a solution for my file storage and other SaaS solutions is that it gives me that level of visibility, that level of confidence, right? That ability to go in and do the e-discovery in a very straightforward, simplistic way. So Druva is a very nice surprise when it comes to a technology partner, in that what brought us to Druva was the very basic laptop, desktop backup, and frankly, that's how we saw them until we started doing additional research, engaged further to find that not only did they do laptop, desktop, but they also did server. And then naturally, if they're housing the majority of our data, then there's other opportunities that we found. We did the deep dive and found an exceptional product and an exceptional company.